Well, hello again, you wonderful people. Welcome back yet again to my channel, and tonight I'm going to take you on a gastronomic journey to make a tortilla, or is it a tortilla? Perhaps you could correct me on that one. But this tortilla, or tortilla, has a bit of a difference. It's got bacon in it. So now let's get on with the cooking. Now this recipe is going to make a tortilla enough to feed 2 people. That would be 2 portions. Now I'm going to use 1 rasher of this back bacon, it's a thick cut back bacon, and about 200 grams of a nice waxy potato, peeled and thinly sliced, half of a white onion, thinly sliced, 2 cloves of this lovely garlic, 4 of these lovely fresh eggs. On with a pan, a little drop of oil. Now we want to cook this bacon, but not so much that it's really crispy. Meanwhile, in another pan, we add a drop of cooking oil, a small amount of butter, in with the onions. Now we want to cook these right through until they're soft. Probably about 5 minutes. Now we put in the potatoes and let them cook right through. Now we can squeeze in the garlic with this crusher. Whisk the eggs. Now we can add this egg mixture to the pan. There we go, cover everything up nicely. Now I've chopped the bacon up, as you can see. Now we can sprinkle that over the top, and most of it's just going to sink in and mix really. Put the lid back on and let that cook away for a while. Now it's turning a little bit hard on the middle. It mustn't be too hard. It's time to turn it over, and the best way to do that is on a plate and then slide it back in again. Just give it a couple of minutes on that side and then it's done. So let's crack on with the taste test. There we go. Really nice. Quite garlicky, but I don't mind that. And I can taste the bacon in there too. I'll finish this off in a little while. Meanwhile, thank you so much for watching this latest video of mine. And please try making this tortilla for yourself. It's dead easy to do. Makes a nice little snack, or possibly a main meal. Anyway, thank you once again, hope you enjoyed it, and I shall see you guys next time. Bye for now.